Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is common to hear this now, especially after COVID-19 struck the world. We are now seeing many self-made video channels and vlogs covering topics from cooking, gourmet, fashion, beauty, self-help, DIY, education, lifestyle, reality shows and language among others. However, YouTube does not give you our very memorable URL as you begin. It's actually quite long, but with time, you are able to get your own short URL. For example, our YouTube channel for short WordPress-related URLs would be youtube.com/wpchase or youtube.com/c/wpchase. By the way, you are welcome to subscribe to our channel and learn about WordPress in simple steps. Custom YouTube URLs. As with all names on most platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter are however subject to availability and quite competitive at that. You may find that your name may have already been taken, so you will need to be creative here since it can be created based on your display name, YouTube username, or the name of a linked website. So, what are the requirements to make your channel eligible for a YouTube custom URL? You will only be eligible for a custom URL if your account has the following qualifications. 1. Have 100 or more channel subscribers. 2. Your channel must be at least 30 days, or 1 month old. 3. Your channel must have an uploaded photo or logo as a channel icon. 4. Your channel must have an uploaded channel art. Important point to note, once you create a custom URL, you will not be able to edit it, so it's good to take time to decide what your channel name will be. If you have a name and you need to change, you'll have to delete the existing one URL and create a new one. How to create your custom YouTube channel URL for your channel. If you're eligible for a custom YouTube URL, you'll see a notice in your advanced account settings, get an email notification, and may see a notification in your Creator Studio dashboard. 1. Sign in to YouTube. 2. Go to your advanced account settings by clicking your profile picture in the top right settings Advanced Settings. 3. Under Channel Settings, select the link next to your eligible for a custom URL. You'll only see this link if your channel is eligible. 4. In the Get a Custom URL box, you'll see the custom URLs you've been approved for. You can't change the part in the gray box, but you may need to add a few letters or numbers to make the URL unique to your channel. 5. Carefully read and understand the custom URL terms of use and select the box to agree to them, then click Change URL. 6. Once a custom URL has been approved, you can't request to change it, so make sure this is the custom URL you want before clicking Confirm Choice. Congratulations, you have successfully customized your YouTube channel URL. Just before you go, please subscribe to our website below for the latest tips, ideas, and recommendations to make your WordPress site wonderful.